From the company Tedmos is a 12,000 milliamp IP54 rated shower, closet, water resistant, anywhere where you want to put a light that can run up to 100 days, 5 to 10 times of lighting, or up to 30 hours of non-stop. Check for further detail online about the product. As we're going to open up the product and show you what you get inside the box, they come in two colors, white and black. You have a user's manual to go over in detail about your product, remote control with a 30, 60, and 2-hour timer, protected by a soft plastic shield. This is a black one with a frosted clear plastic. We have the hanging bracket, USB-C compliance cable, hardware and anchors, remote control with included 2 AAA batteries. With the provided information in a number of languages, we have the remote control. On the back of the unit will be the USB-C charging area. Simply plug in. It has a red indicator that will light green or go off after a number of hours. Charge your unit up for the first time, up to 5 full hours of quick charge with a runtime of a 15-hour minimum through 100 hours of standby. The light is 550 lumens with 3 kelvins, warm, medium, and cool, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 Kelvin. When the unit is in working mode, we have 3 light indicators. We have red, green, and blue. Red will always be on, green is night sensing mode, and blue is all day sensing mode. A dual sensor that's in store of your unit with a 160-degree throw. So when it detects your motion, the light will turn on. The remote control has the on and off, a light, a 5D joystick, and the timer. This is night mode, always on, 24-hour sensor, brightness level, and decreased brightness, and Kelvin changing. And these are the 3 timers. While the light's in charging mode, we're able to turn the light on and off. If we hit the brightness level, the light will stay off. It must be in the on position. You have the red indicator blinking. If we hit the night mode, it changes to green and shuts down as the green blinks and the red goes on for charging. If we hit the center button, you notice that the red indicator is blinking and the light goes on. And then if we hit the right-hand side, we're on blue as it senses. Those are the 3 color modes of light indicators of how the light will work while we're in the charging mode. On the top corner is your modes to go through the 3 different sensors and kelvins and an on and off. The on and off will only work when the remote control triggers the light first. And then we're able to change the kelvins. And then we're able to change the sensors. And then we're able to long press to shut the unit down into the modes. And then we take the remote, shut the unit off. So what we're going to go do now is show you what the unit's about in area. If you have a bathroom and you want to hang your light, and this is a demonstration only to place in, to fill in, this would be the area where you put your light. The light is IP54 rated, so if water gets splashed onto it, the light will stay lit and on. As you can see, water rolls off and it's protected. There is no water inside the light. Over here be the 2 bracket areas that you'll take your bracket and hang and lock down and clip into place. It'll turn and lock in. On each of the corners there is a slot that this will lock in as you place on, and when it rotates and forces in, it locks into place. And then to move out, it unscrews. So you have a closet that you want to hang your light and simply put the screws in and lock down, and then take the light, place on by twisting, locking into place, remote control, turning the light on, and then choosing the sensor that you want. As you see the green light indicator blink a couple of times, and when motion is detected, the light turns on. For 20 seconds of no motion, the light will shut down. As the light shuts down, it detects motion again, it will go on. That is the mode. We have the on, 24/7, or nighttime that will go on when low light is hit, and detect motion when movement is present. In these demonstration purposes, we're going to change the Kelvin to a blue, a warm, and a medium. We're going to increase the brightness level, and it gives a blink, and we're going to decrease the brightness level. These lights can be put in bathrooms that have no light. And if you need to put the light on, they can easily be put in an area like so to light up. It gives a beautiful decoration. What it looks like, changing the kelvins to match the room to a medium Kelvin and back to the cool Kelvin. We need a light in the closet, and it lights up. Show you how nicely it looks lit. After so many seconds, the light will go off. When you walk near to the light and want to trigger the light on, you're ready to go again. Battery operated lights, 100 hours of standby. Place them in the closet, the bathroom, hallways, wherever you need to have a light that's meant to be waterproof and used anywhere.